Let me guess, you don't know? And you have a lot of questions? Well, keep watching as we dive into the world of knowledge and give you a lot of useful tips and information. Stay tuned! Have you ever been in a situation where everyone seems to be okay with something, but you personally feel uncomfortable with it? Maybe you witnessed someone being rude, but everyone else laughed it off. You remained silent because you thought that's how everyone else felt. This is what's known as pluralistic ignorance. Pluralistic ignorance occurs when a group of people conforms to an idea or behavior, even though they may not agree with it individually. It's a dangerous phenomenon because it leads to a lack of action and perpetuates the harmful behavior. Studies show that people tend to follow the crowd rather than speak out when they believe others are in agreement. This mentality is reinforced by the fear of being ostracized or ridiculed by the group. Recent studies conducted showed that certain social groups are most susceptible to pluralistic ignorance. Researchers have found that the most susceptible group is college students. This group is susceptible because they are at an age when they are still developing their sense of self, and are more likely to conform to social norms. Furthermore, social groups that have a strong sense of identity and cohesion are more likely to experience pluralistic ignorance. These include religious or cultural groups and even social media groups. The problem with pluralistic ignorance is that it allows negative behaviors and attitudes to go unchecked. Racism, sexism, and bullying can go unaddressed because individuals are afraid to speak up. It takes one person to be brave and initiate change. So what can you do to combat pluralistic ignorance? Speak up. Don't be afraid to be the first person to say something. Your voice matters. Remember, pluralistic ignorance is dangerous. Speak up and let's create a world where harmful behaviors are not tolerated. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.